boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to properly and safely blow dry your hair. I know a lot of times with us natural girls it can be a little hard, especially those who really don't know how to do their hair. So I wanted to make this video specifically for you. But before I move any further, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. Also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when I drop my weekly videos. So let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Alrighty guys, so the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is remove my turban. I actually fell asleep. I let my hair air dry by accident and I fell asleep. So I originally was supposed to record myself blow drying my hair when it was first wet. As you all see, it is kind of dry, but nevertheless you can let your hair air dry, or you can go ahead and blow dry your hair immediately after you wash it and condition it. So I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to comb through my hair and get all the kinks out before we move into blow drying. So now that I was able to comb out all the kinks, I'm going to go ahead and mist my hair with some heat protector by Garnier Fructis. I personally like this heat protector. If you have any heat protector, I would highly recommend that you do spray your hair, whether it is by a spray bottle or if it's like a light silk drop. I would definitely recommend that you put that in your hair, followed by just some light oil, just to make sure that your hair does have moisture when it is being blow dried, because of course you are definitely putting heat to your hair and you want to make sure that your hair is protected at all times. So now that we went ahead and did that, I went ahead and turned around so you all could see how I sectioned my hair off. As you all see, my hair is very thick. I'm very proud of the process that I'm currently on with my hair. I did come from very thin hair, dry scalp, eczema in my hair. It was horrible, but luckily I finally was able to follow a regimen, and I've had to learn my scalp. So I'm so happy that it's thick and I'm having these problems. So I do have to section my hair off when I blow dry it. It's not as simple as it used to be when I was bald headed. So as you guys see, I'm just going to section my hair off in fours, and once I do that, then I'm going to go ahead and begin the blow drying process. Have successfully sectioned my hair off. I did accidentally cut off my ion blow dryer, so I will drop that link down below. So now I'm just going to show you all how to blow dry. So you want to make sure whatever hand that you write with, you want to make sure that that is the hand that you use to brush your hair. And the opposite hand, of course, you want to use that hand to hold the blow dryer. So I did go ahead and slow it down for you a little bit, but I'm just simply taking my brush and I am just brushing my hair as I blow dry it. Sometimes in some areas, depending on how thick my hair is and how wet and or dry, I do take the blow dryer and the brush and I do gracefully move it very slowly, just to make sure that I'm straightening out my hair really straight. I usually like to do this anytime I'm getting a blowout, or anytime I am straightening my hair when I clip my ends, or if I am simply just doing a braid down for a sew-in, wig, or quick weave. So I just want to always make sure that my hair is as straight as I can get it. A lot of girls who hair that I do, when I blow dry their hair, they always say, I never get my hair that straight, and it's just simply a technique that I just use. I always make sure that I chase the brush with the blow dryer. It looks like it's easier said than done, but the more you continuously do it, the easier it gets. So another tip too, if it does get a little complicated for you to blow dry your hair like this, I would take the big sections, so the 4 sections that I have, I would make those smaller sections. But as you all see, like the heat protector and a little bit of the oil, it's just perfect. Everything is just moving swiftly. So of course I did kind of split and cut some of the other clips that I did have, but for the most part you all get it. And if you have any questions and or concerns, just drop them down in the description box and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. So with further ado, make sure you all continue to watch the video. As you all see, my hair does look completely dry, but you want to make sure after you have sectioned off your hair and you have blow dried everything, you also want to make sure that you blow dry the crown of your hair as well, because sometimes it does get a little difficult to blow dry that section. So you just want to make sure that you focus solely on that section as well. Alrighty guys, so here is what my hair looks like when it is blow dried. It's still very thick, but for the most part, I hope you all did enjoy this video as much as I did creating it. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you all next time. Bye.